how to change your Google account password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and then open Google. Now in order to change your password, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the manage your Google account option you see there. Now in this particular interface, you will see the option for security and sign in. So tap on the security and sign in option you see there and you will see the option for password. So tap on the password option and now in this particular interface, you will be able to change your password. So go ahead and enter your new password and then enter your new password. Make sure to meet the password requirement while entering your password. Once entered, tap on the change password option you see there and you will then be asked if you want to sign out of all the devices that you are currently logged into. So tap on the change password option in order to confirm your login, and with this, your password will be changed. So this was about how you can change your Google account password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.